Hello friend, this is Sumit and welcome to my channel Enroll to Learn. If you are coming first time to my channel, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. So moving forward, today I am going to tell you about two apps which will help you to enhance your Instagram stories. Instagram stories, or you can say Instagram post also. First app what I have in my list is Story. When you open this app, you will see lot of stories option. The first one is minimal, second one is photography. When you see photography, there is a crown icon. Whichever story has a like here crown icon, you cannot use them. They are a paid version, but there are few stories which are totally free. So you can see the minimal. Here all the stories are free and they are really very great. Let me click on it. See how does it look. So so like this you can use any of the story over here and you can make your Instagram go wow. The second app what I have on my list is Quinsta. I'm suggesting you Quinsta because it has a lot of option. Now you see here hashtags. You can choose any option like according to your picture, like if you have traveling picture, you have food picture, regarding photography, fashion, weather, nature, you can click here and you can see lot of hashtags here. So you can do what you can do, you can select the hashtags whatever you like and you can just copy and upload your picture on Instagram. You can paste these hashtags. Second is captions. We all know about captions. See, if you want to write a caption about your friend, your love, attitude, fashion, photography, everything is here. For example, I can show you a list of captions which we have on friends. So you can use captions. Next to caption is story captions. This is also, you can move around and see whatever we have in story caption. If you want a different kind of bio for your Instagram stories, you can use these bios. Here we have stylish font. If you want, like you can enter your text here, like I will write enroll to learn, and now see how many types of cool fonts I have. Whichever I want, I can just copy and paste it to Instagram. Okay, next, moving forward, the last option is grid, and grid is one of my favorite option because here what you can do, you can select any picture and you can put into grid. What is grid? Actually it divides in your picture into different frames according to, like, this is 3 frame, 6 frame, 9 frame, 12 frame, but better to go with this one, 9 frames. See, this is my picture. When I click here OK and I save, so it will show you like the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You have to post your picture according to numbers on your Instagram, and once you post your picture on Instagram, it will look like this. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you have any concerns or question, you can put in the comment box, and if you like the video, kindly share it with your friends. Thank you.